the same my video. You go to log in and then Thai password 721 64321 and okay. No, yeah. Okay to device thing and pre-brand and network and to down to WLAN. Go to search Wi-Fi. Select access point. Yes. If you share from mobile, you go to hotspot and you check the name of phone. Yes. Okay. Thai password. My password 128. So you type 128. Okay. Connect. Okay. So you check the IP address. Yes. Device. Pre-brand. Network. IPv4. IP address. And you take DHCP and okay. And close the machine for recover IP. You finish connect from the first video. You can check the IP that you connect the Wi-Fi from hotspot. Yes, you can check the IP. You go to connect device and you check the wireless. This is the address 10.251.23.148. This is the address IP. And you can to check to machine. You can check you can check pre-brand network and go down to see sub line setting and you go to check this IP and you tick it off. So the IP you add to your computer this IP address 10.251.23.148. This IP you can add with your laptop. I will take a video at laptop for you. You can add Wi-Fi from mobile. My mobile Vivo like this. When you connect like this, you go to add driver. Okay. You go to add driver. Go to device management. Go to driver.
Nóមានស្រាប់កកាឡើងនេះនៅលើកុំព្យូទ័រគាត់259
add ថ្មី add a printer យកក្រុម IP address niche IP យុទ្ធាយ the IP of machine that I saw you check. You can try this IP for add new driver. 10.251.23.148. Yes. And then next. This code when you change the IP, change Wi-Fi, need to change the IP address. You go to Canon. Yes. You scroll down to find model of machine. Canon ADVC 256. Near the add.
Ini chúng add anh tầm anh lấy cái này ta số khai đó.
Example, I take you this model, so I need to find driver this model to test for. Side cam. Yeah, this one my example. Next and next. I will test the print for you when I add driver finish. Yes. Next. Don't send. Yeah. So can the driver this model, but you choose the model of your printer. Print test. Yes, you go to right click to check the default printer. Go to printing default. Go to one side and apply. Okay. General and test. You see, but if you use this personal hotspot will have a problem a lot. You must need a Wi-Fi.